Alright guys, how y'all doing out there today? I'm back with another video, some information for you guys. And right now, the information I'm bringing you guys is like, it's kind of like a health type of deal for like vegetables and other things like that that you guys normally probably use on a daily basis. Um, so that's the kind of stuff I'm like fruits, vegetables, and right now the videos are going to be leaning toward that right now. So just be aware. But videos are gonna change because we're gonna have all sorts of videos coming on this channel, and hopefully soon I'm gonna change the background. I won't be in my room anymore. So, but just look forward to a lot of good things coming with this channel and a lot of good information coming too that you guys can just chime on and go to the comment section and get information from people that's commenting on some stuff too also. But we're gonna make this a good thing, I promise. So normally what I do is what I've started doing is bring you guys some jobs that I see while I'm out working during the day, because all you guys know that I'm a contract courier. I work during the day going around the Metroplex, and I see a lot of companies, and I go to a lot of companies delivering merchandise to them, and a lot of them be doing some hiring. So I will be getting information like that for you guys to chime in on, and I'm going to start putting the information in the comment section uh, to where you guys can see. I'll probably put a link in, not the comment, the description. I will put the information for that job there and try to get you a link also so you can go directly to it. Okay. So the first job today is, I've got one for you at the beginning and one at the end. So the first job today is called Fortis Solution. It's a label company that's in Louisville. I go there almost every other day, and it's a good company with good benefits. So if you guys live in the Louisville area and then Metroplex or wherever, they're doing some hiring right now, and I will put the phone number and a link in the description on this video so you can check back later and get that information. But right now, the video for today is, it's going to be on garlic. That's something that you can cook with, and some people use for different things, just having it hanging over for the smell and stuff like that. But I cook with garlic almost with everything I cook, except for what I don't use it on. I can't even think about it right now. But I use garlic just about with everything, and you can use garlic in different ways because you can have it in. Cause I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you guys something. Hold on. This is the garlic right here. This is garlic right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of like the light is on it, real shining real good on it. But these are garlics. It's like one, two, three. It's like five of them in this little package right here. You can take it out and crush them up and put them in all your foods. And that's, you put like olive oil and put garlic in there with this, and it's gonna have a good smell to the house, and it makes your food just taste great. And it's actually good for you because the video today is gonna be on garlic. I'm gonna give you 8 benefits of having garlic in your diet every day. This stuff is good for you, so keep in mind. And also, I use, this is what I use mostly. It's minced garlic because it's already chopped up and it's in the oil that's really nice and it smells good. I just take a spoon and take it out and put it in the skillet or whatever when I'm cooking, and it's some good stuff. It's called minced garlic, and you can get it at any grocery store. I got this at Tom Thumbs, but it's called minced garlic. You can get it at these stores, and it's really good stuff. I keep this in my refrigerator because I put it in just about everything I cook with. So this is some good stuff, and this is what the video is gonna be about today, is garlic. So here we go. All right. So actually, the first thing about garlic, one of the 8 benefits, is garlic is known for its potential to improve your heart, and it may help lower your blood pressure. It reduces cholesterol levels, and it decreases the risk of cardiovascular disease. That's a lot of stuff that this stuff do. Garlic does. That's a lot of stuff that's important stuff too. And it is also believed to contribute to heart protective effects. So I don't know what that means, but it's contribute to that to heart protective effects. But this garlic is powerful stuff. So if I was you guys, I would go out and get this stuff, keep it in the refrigerator, cook with it, and also just hang it around in the kitchen somewhere. Cause I back in the old day, I used to go in my family members' house, and sometimes they have like a long stick of this stuff right here, just hanging over a little basket or whatever. You know, they never use it, but it was always there. But garlic is good for you. It's good stuff. All right. The second benefit. Okay, garlic contains antioxidants that help neutralizes free radicals in your body. Free radicals in your body can contribute to aging and various diseases. So, including garlic in your diet may support overall health. So, it's good for your body, guys. It's some good stuff. It's good for your bodies, and it's good for like I said, anti-aging, which nobody really wants to get old. I know I don't, but it's good for anti-aging. So get this stuff. It's good stuff for you. All right, number 3. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce in the body. Okay, chronic inflammation is associated with various heart issues, and incorporating garlic into your diet every day may contribute to managing inflammation. So that's a good thing. So you won't swell up as much. You get like a sprained ankle or thumb or whatever. You know, you won't have the inflammation in where you can swell up so fast. But that is good stuff. I'm telling you guys, garlic is some good stuff. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4. Sorry. Garlic has been traditionally used for immune system boosting properties. It may help enhance the function of the immune system, making your body more resistant to infections and illness. So with garlic being in your body, you may not get like sick as fast if it wasn't in your body. So by having it in there, it fights off diseases to where you won't get the common cold as fast, or you won't get like drowsy or headaches or whatever by having this stuff in your body. This is some good stuff, guys. This is some good stuff, guys, for real. Good stuff. All right. Number 5. This is number 5 out of 8 benefits of garlic in your daily diet. All right, number 5, it says cancer prevention, which I've been hearing this for a long time. Okay, some studies suggest that garlic may have a role in cancer prevention. And like I said, I've been hearing this stuff for a long time, how this garlic stuff can prevent you from having cancer. I don't know if it's true or not, but I've heard it before in the past. So don't take my word saying that garlic prevents cancer, because I don't know. I'm just giving you what the experts say, what I'm getting from right now. So okay, but all right, where was I at? Okay, it also inhibits the growth of cancer cells. So that means, I'm thinking that it means like if you got cancer cells in, which I hope not, I hope nobody got cancer, because that's a dangerous disease. This garlic won't let it, I guess it won't let it like take effect and grow in your body. If it's low to where you can't see it, hopefully stay like that. So that's what I'm thinking this is trying to say right now, that it won't let the cells make the cells grow. Okay, so, and also it says particularly in relationship to a digestive and cholesterol cancers, those are the 2 main things that it could prevent. It could, I ain't saying it won't, it could prevent from having or this in your system, to where it will grow faster. It would probably keep it lower to where you won't even know it's there or something like that. But this garlic, like I keep saying, guys, it's some good stuff. Get you some of this garlic, and it's not. They got the organic kind also, and they got this kind, but it's some good stuff. Good for your body. All right, number 6. Garlic has been used to alleviate respiratory conditions for the centuries. conditioned for centuries. That means a long time. Okay, and it may help in reducing symptoms of common respiratory issues like colds and flu, which I just mentioned that a while ago. You know, if you got this garlic in your body, especially during the time where everybody normally gets sick, I would start using this garlic. I really would. And I don't know, I have never used it just like got a spoonful and just put it in my mouth. I've never done that before, but I always put it in like a vegetable oil and cook it and fry with it and whatever with it. And that's how I use it, like that. But I use it every time I almost cook anything. Okay, now number 7, detoxification. Garlic may assist in detoxification in the body for promoting and eliminating heavy metals that's inside your body. Okay, and heavy metals. Also, it's sulfur. Its sulfur containing compounds may help bind and expel toxic substance from your body. So, I guess what it's trying to say is that when you like feeling bloated or whatever, it can make the compounds come down so you can get rid of it. So I'm not sure that's what it does, but that's just what I'm thinking it does. Okay, that's number 7. And last one, number 8. It says improve digestive health. This garlic can improve digestive health. Okay, garlic has been linked to promoting a healthy digestive system in your body. It may help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting better digest and nutrient absorptions. So that's an awesome thing. So if you got like garlic in your system and you go eat fruit or whatever, you can absorb that fruit better and just keep it in your system so you'll have a healthy body. That's what I'm thinking. Not exactly. I ain't saying that's what it is. That's what I think. But that's how I go. So guys, that's number 8. So those are the 8 benefits of including garlic in your everyday diet. Good stuff. If I was you, I would go get some. Good stuff. So that's it for this video, except for the last job I want to mention. And also, guys, look, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share the video so we can grow this channel. And I really, really appreciate it, you know, if you guys do that, you know, so to help me out, so I can start bringing more content. And hopefully one of these days, man, I want to start like giving away little small gifts and stuff like that, you know, little money, little gifts, t-shirts, hats, or whatever. I want to start doing that on this channel. So just please help me out, subscribe, share, and like these videos so I can eventually be on like the top page or whatever for YouTube to start sharing my videos more often. And that's going to be up to you guys. And I really would appreciate it. Now, the last video, I mean, not the last video, but the last job, which I saw today on the sign when I was in, I was in Carrollton. Yeah, and that's Amazon. But Amazon is always hiring. So, but this specific Amazon, I think it's new in Carrollton. That's a new one, I think, that's coming up in Carrollton. They are hiring for the evening and night shift. And they saying that you can make up to $275 every day. I'm not sure what the schedule would be or how long you can work or whatever, but that's what they're saying. $275 every day for Amazon. So you probably want to go online and check that out, or either visit the nearest one to you and check it out and put it in an application and see if they call you so you can get there working if you ain't working. So, but guys, this is the end of this video. Like I always say, take care of yourself, be blessed, and bless other people if you can, and take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.